Facing vehicle repossession can feel overwhelming, especially if you aren't sure of your rights or what steps to take. Pennsylvania law tries to strike a balance between protecting lenders and ensuring fairness for borrowers. Understanding these laws can help you protect yourself and handle the situation effectively. In Pennsylvania, a lender has the right to repossess your vehicle if you've defaulted on your loan agreement. Default happens when you don't meet the terms of the loan contract, like missing payments or failing to maintain the required insurance. The specific terms of default are usually outlined in your loan agreement, so it's important to review it carefully. In some cases, even a single missed or late payment can trigger repossession. Repossession can happen without any prior warning. In Pennsylvania, once your car is repossessed, lenders are required to notify you right away, either in person or through certified mail. This notice will explain what's happened and outline your rights. It also includes critical deadlines for actions like paying off the remaining balance or reclaiming your vehicle. Acting quickly when you receive this notice can make a big difference in resolving the situation on better terms. If you're concerned about repossession but haven't defaulted yet, there are steps you can take to avoid it. The best way to prevent repossession is to address financial challenges as soon as possible. Many lenders are willing to work with borrowers who reach out early. Options like forbearance, loan modifications, or refinancing might be available to help you stay on track. By showing good faith and communicating openly with your lender, you may be able to negotiate terms that allow you to keep your car and reduce financial stress. If repossession can't be avoided, it's important to know the rules that repossession agents must follow in Pennsylvania. Agents aren't allowed to breach the peace during a repossession. This means they can't use threats, intimidation, or physical force, and they can't enter secured areas like a locked garage or fenced yard without your consent. If a repossession agent violates these rules, you have the right to report them to the Pennsylvania Department of Banking and Securities. Even if your car is repossessed, you're still entitled to retrieve your personal belongings from inside the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania law, anything that isn't part of the car itself, like clothing, tools, or documents, remains your property. To recover these items, contact the repossession company as soon as possible. After a repossession, lenders usually sell the vehicle to recover the remaining balance of the loan. If the sale doesn't cover the full amount you owe, you may still be responsible for paying the difference, called a deficiency balance. This balance might also include additional costs, like towing and storage fees. However, you do have the option to redeem your car before it's sold by paying the entire loan balance plus repossession-related fees. While this can be expensive, it allows you to reclaim your car and potentially avoid further financial complications. Pennsylvania also has laws in place to protect borrowers throughout the repossession and debt collection process. The Fair Credit Extension Uniformity Act ensures creditors and debt collectors treat borrowers fairly. Also, the Unfair Trade Practices and Consumer Protection Law protects you from fraudulent or deceptive practices. These legal protections exist to ensure fairness and accountability during the repossession process. While repossession can feel like a major setback, it doesn't have to define your financial future. With the right information and proactive steps, you can navigate this challenge and work toward regaining control of your financial situation. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.